BSLBATT battery manufacturing factory is located in Huizhou, Guangdong. We have adopted fully automatic production process for our energy storage battery, which realizes automation, process, standardization, and a standardized production process. We also adopt FPC technology, which maintains with a higher consistency of each battery cells, so that our battery can have a longer service life and higher efficiency. The thinnest ESS for home use ever, only 19 mm thick, and up to 3C instantaneous discharge capability, up to 81,920 watt-hours when connected in parallel at low voltage. It is specially designed for home energy storage and is compatible with mainstream inverters. The product has passed global certification such as IEC 62619, CE, UL 1973, and UN 38.3. Solar lithium batteries are often used in home energy storage systems to reduce energy costs and power consumption. The appearance and size of PowerLine 5 are very suitable for home use. It is small in size, does not take up much wall space, and is less than 9 mm thick. Instantly achieve energy independence in existing PV systems and by installing new PV systems with the BSL5K2P EU hybrid inverter. Our PowerLine 5 battery is very perfect using in your garage and attic. Our battery can support 8,000 cycles and 15 years warranty for you. But our expenses for the battery using time is for 20 years. It means within 20 years, you don't need to think about for replacing lithium battery at your home, and also don't need to worry about the after-sale service within the 15 years to using the solar energy system. These two containers were ordered by the South African customer. We'll ship them by next 2 weeks. As our newly launched product, we got a lot of customer inquiry asking about this battery. At the same time, we also know a lot of customer is still thinking about to selling the new battery or not. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us. We will answer you one by one. With over 20 years production experience and also one of the industry's strongest innovators, our batteries have deployed with more than 100 countries. Please connect us and find out how to join the BSLBATT battery reseller program. Learn more about the dealer police benefit.